Good evening. Welcome to GNN, the Gaijin News Network. I am your Jamaican host. Yo, Wagwan. This is the Gaijin News Network. There has been an exponential increase in the amount of persons that have entered the ports of Japan from other countries, seeking permanent residence and working. This has resulted in a less than favorable response from some of the very citizens who were born and raised in Japan. Wait, there's some breaking news coming in from our correspondent live at location. Over to you. Yes, I'm hearing you loud and clear. We're outside here in this Family Mart in Toyota City, Motoshirocho to be exact. And there's a pandemic right now. People are about to riot. As you can see behind me, there's a motorbike gang, a bicycle gang right there parked and going inside. Apparently, the Asians have finished all the spicy chicken. And Family Mart doesn't know when they're ever going to get another supply. Thank you for that. Our live correspondent there on location. And now we have our weather. It's bloody hot. Well, it sure is hot. That's sweet, isn't it? Yeah, man, the man said hot out. So we're there in Japan. I go on all I made me. Just want to make everybody know, say, when I sell out the thing and pick up on the self and ray. Yeah, more videos, more randomness, more video, more randomness, more on top of more, you know what I mean? Straight up, bless up Jamaica land we love.